Let's go wind up the clock. What? Don't do that. Let's wind up the clock. Ha 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 ha. Let's go in the living room and we can wind up the clock. Papa, wind up the clock. No, it's Grandma's tone. I already had a tone in like 2 videos. Or 1 video. Oh, Bruzzle. Dad say it all the time. Oh, Bruzzle. Ha ha ha. Oh, Bruzzle. Let's see how low the weight so. Papa, come on. Come on, wind up the clock. And don't forget to move the pendulum. Oh wait, let me see the clock and see it's doing good. Okay, it's doing good. Okay, now let's wind up the clock. Ready? Yeah. Alright. First I do the bottom weight, middle weight. And we do this one. And we do this one. And don't forget to move the pendulum. And we move the pendulum just a little bit and don't hit the glass. That's how we wind up the clock. Yep. Clock got wound. Alright. Hi guys, it's me, the elf you see. Not the fun elf, but it's me, Chippy. It's supposed to be Strawberry winding up the clock today, but he didn't show up, so I took his place. It's supposed to be Strawberry. Now let's wind up the clock. Wind it up right now. And maybe let's count to like Sunday maybe? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, you guys all wound up. Now it's all set for another 8 days without stopping. We wound it Sunday, today's Friday. Let's count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 days with no winding. We wound it today. So that's 6 days. Okay, have a great day. Bye you guys. I like this air vent here. It's very nice. Very nice. Okay, bye you guys. Bye. Oh yeah, that's me right there. Bye.